Certainly. Here are descriptions of 10 of the oldest and most iconic architectural landmarks in New York City. Statue of Liberty. Designed by Frederick Auguste Bartholdi, this colossal statue was a gift from France to the United States and was dedicated in 1886. It stands on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, symbolizing freedom and democracy. Brooklyn Bridge. Designed by John Augustus Roebling and completed in 1883, the Brooklyn Bridge is one of the oldest suspension bridges in the United States. It spans the East River, connecting the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn. St. Patrick's Cathedral. This neo-Gothic-style cathedral, located on Fifth Avenue in Midtown Manhattan, was designed by James Renwick Jr. and completed in 1878. It is the largest Catholic cathedral in the United States. Flatiron Building, completed in 1902, this triangular-shaped skyscraper located at 175 Fifth Avenue in Manhattan is one of the city's most iconic buildings. Designed by Daniel Burnham, it was one of the tallest buildings in the city at the time of its completion. Trinity Church, located at the intersection of Wall Street and Broadway in Lower Manhattan. Trinity Church was completed in 1846. Designed by architect Richard Upjohn in the Gothic Revival style, it is one of the oldest churches in New York City. New York City Hall, completed in 1812. New York City Hall is the oldest city hall in the United States that still houses its original governmental functions. It is located in the Civic Center neighborhood of Lower Manhattan. Federal Hall National Memorial, built in 1700. As New York's City Hall, Federal Hall later served as the first Capitol building of the United States and was the site of George Washington's inauguration as the first president. The current structure, located on Wall Street, was built in 1842 as a customs house. Ellis Island Immigration Museum. The main building of the Ellis Island Immigration Museum was completed in 1900. It served as the nation's busiest immigrant inspection station from 1892 to 1954 and now houses exhibits chronicling the immigrant experience in America. Tweed Courthouse, completed in 1881. The Tweed Courthouse, officially known as the New York County Courthouse, is located in Lower Manhattan. Designed by architect John Kellam, it is an example of the Second Empire architectural style. Columbia University's Low Memorial Library. Completed in 1897, the Low Memorial Library is one of the oldest buildings on the Morningside Heights campus of Columbia University. It serves as the university's central library and was designed by Charles Follen McKim of the firm McKim, Mead and White. These landmarks represent significant moments in the architectural and historical development of New York City.